Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel again. My name is Christopher Corinthian. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to use Zgame Editor Visualizer to produce your own audio visualizer. As you can see, I have a project right here. This is my new song, Elizabeth's Christmas. If you haven't checked it out yet, you should go and have a listen. This is the whole project. I have all these things: drum, bass, drill bass, snare, kick, melody, effects, reverse vocal, etc. I'm gonna be using Zgame Editor Visualizer to produce the audio visualizer for this song, okay? So first thing, go to Master and go to Slot and select Z Editor Visualizer, alright? It's right here, okay? So just click on it and you have this thing. So first of all, you must have an image. So go to add content, add pictures. Let's just say I choose this thing. Okay, I have this image, and go back to the main tab right here. You can see the none. So go to image effects right here, go to image, click on it, and go to image src right here, click none and click the image file right here that you have chosen. So for me it's gonna be this, the cover art for Elizabeth's Christmas. The next step is you gotta go here, click on the plus and go to none again. My favorite is always go to pick effects. I always get polar right here. So click on polar, you have this stuff. So when I try to play the song, you can see the visual is playing right here. As you can see, it's white color. You can actually change the hue right here and saturation, okay? You can also adjust the radius. Let's just say I want small. Okay. So you can see the visual right here is playing. Okay, you can always adjust the position X and you can adjust Y right here. The next step, you gotta click on this thing, plus, and go to none. You can always go to post process and then go to audio shake right here, which is very important to shake up your visual. Try to play it. As you can see, it's really shaking right now. So for me, I would like to decrease the amount right here. Just decrease all the way until here. Okay, and go to the mode. I like normal. So as you can see, it's not shaking too much, it's just medium. If you want more, you can always increase the amount right here. Another thing is you can go to this audio src, you can see master. If let's say you want the visual to be specific at the sound, go to master, click on it, and you can always see this thing. It's actually the mixer tracks. You can see master, drill bass. For example, I just want snare. Okay, for example, snare. So when you play the song, when there's no snare, it's not going to move. When there's snare, it's gonna be moving. Let's just play it.
Like turning on the lights. And light does more than create a festive mood. Light brings hope. For Christians, Jesus is the light of the world. Jesus touched on.
So as you can hear, when the snare comes in, it's actually moving. But when there's no snare, actually it doesn't move. So this is the function of it, okay? Same goes to this part also. All parts are the same. Just go to audio src right here. You can always choose whatever you want. based on your taste. And now I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make audio visualizer by just using one audio file. Let's just say I want to take this. Okay, so I have this audio file. It's more simple. Go to your mixer right here and master, and go to slot 1 right here. Just pick Zgame Editor Visualizer right here. Click on it, and same thing. Go to none. Go to image effects. Go to image. Go to add content right here to add your pictures. So click on add pictures. I'm gonna be going to for example Pac-Man. For Pac-Man, I'll just take this. Okay, go back to main tab right here, go to image src, go to Pac-Man square right here, which is the file, and go to click on this plus icon. Go to the same thing, post process, audio shake. I like normal as usual. Take the amount down a little bit. Okay, go to play a song. Yeah, so you can see it's actually shaking right now. So you can decrease the amount a little bit. And add another effect. Go to none, pick effects, go to add polar as well. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys learned something. If you learned, make sure to subscribe and make sure to share it to all your friends, your pets, your relatives, your family, your dogs, your giraffes, your zebras, your snakes, your alligators, your sharks, and also dinosaurs if they still exist. And also like this video so that YouTube can help me to share to more audience, and make sure to comment down below what you want to see next in my next tutorial. And if you have any question, make sure to leave a comment down below, and make sure to check out my new song Elizabeth's Christmas and All I Want for Christmas Is You remix. And I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, peace out.